Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name's Steph if you're new here, and I post weekly videos on this channel about anything book, beauty, fashion, mum related, you name it. I try and do a couple of videos, different videos each time on this platform. Today's video is actually going to be a beauty haul from HNB Cosmetics. And this is basically for my personal self, but also for my kit. If you not already know, I'm actually rebuilding my professional makeup artistry kit. I took a two years off just because I had my daughter and I needed a break, and obviously things expire and lots of new things come out, and basically I'm just rebuilding it. I'm so excited, and I was dying to try the HNB Cosmetics. I'm actually currently wearing one of the foundations and I'm very happy with it because I try to get my color, and I think this is a really good color, and I'll talk to you guys what I think of it as well in this video. So without further ado, let's just get into the haul. So I'm actually going to get out all the bags. They all came really wrapped, really nicely. They did not come in a box. They came in this bag with the receipts or the printout, and everything came in these gorgeous jiffy bags, which I'm actually appreciative of, because in the rain, come rain or shine, they don't get damaged by water, which I'm happy about. I'm not going to complain. So let's get into the haul and what I picked up. I'm going to try and get them out of the bags just to make life easy for myself when it comes to sharing with you guys what I'm getting. I did see these all over TikTok when I'm just curious to see what's out there, what's new, and what I would like to pick up for my kit. I do have a couple of things which I'm still need to get. I'm very excited to try the Made by Mitchell as well. He is just one of my favorites. I remember watching him when he was on YouTube, especially when he was around Jeffree Star. Like, I just felt like he was a really good guy, and I just feel like the stuff that he's come out with is so makeup related, makeup arts related, and I definitely try his stuff. So without further ado, let's just get into what foundations I got. I did get 4 of their Luminous Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation, and I got them in the shades, so LF3C, I think I have a 6, LF6W, I have LF7C, and also LF8N. So neutral, warm, and too cool. I'm currently wearing the 7, which is the LF7C, and I'm very happy with it. For the consistency, it's dewy, it's a buildable kind of coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but I would say it's on the medium, and I think this would be really good for bridal when you don't want that matte kind of coverage. I think this would be really, really nice for bridal, and from what I'm seeing here, that they're made in Ireland, which is great. And yeah, I'm very happy with the shades. I will do swatches and stuff on TikTok, so if you're interested in any of like swatches and stuff, I will try and maybe do them on a TikTok video. I just really want to just get the video out and share with you guys what they look like. I can show you what it looks like as the bottle itself. I think it's very luxury, and I just really love what it looks like. Like, it's a twist pump, airtight kind of pump. I love the nude pink, and I just think it's really gorgeous to have on your vanity and stuff like that. I did get them in the sale. They were on 50, if I'm not sure, it was either 50% off or like 30 to 40% off. They were having a Black Friday sale, and I'm very happy with those. I did get their Soft Focus Airbrush Concealer. I got 2. I really wanted the 0.5, if I'm not mistaken, and they didn't have it in stock, because I think it starts from I'm sure it starts from 0. So I got the SF1W and the SF1.5W. I really wanted the 0.5. They didn't have it in stock. For me, the SF1W is more peachy, and the SF1.5W is more yellow tone. So this for me is a bit dark to use as an eye brightening underneath the eyes, but it's probably really good for when I have more of a summer-kissed kind of look. I did get 2 of their loose powders. I got number 1 in Fair and number 2 in translucent, so soft focus loose powder. I can show you guys what it looks like. I haven't opened these yet. This is the packaging of the loose powder. Again, I just really love their color of the branding. It's just so gorgeous. And then at the back it tells you the number, and this one is in Fair. Comes with a sifter, as you can tell. Gorgeous packaging, gorgeous color scheme. I'm just so happy and I can't wait to try these and pop these in my kit. I did get then, the last thing I got were their silky smooth airbrush filter breast powders. I saw people rave about these and I got 4. I got Fair, I got extra brightening, and I got light medium and the pink. I was obviously so excited to try the pink because I just saw so many people talk about the pink one, and it's not as scary as you think. Like, this will be so good over a pink blush or something like that, and I was dying to try and get this one. And yeah, that's basically my whole haul from HNB for my kit. I might actually keep the LF7C for myself foundation wise because this matches my skin at the moment great, and I might have to get another one and try and get the concealer that I was after hopefully by the end of this month, because I definitely feel like I'm going to need to get the foundation for my kit, and I definitely feel like I need to try the lighter shade. I am going to be going to England, so hopefully I might be able to try and find them in Boots. They're in a particular Boots in London, and I'm going to try and see if I can get there and if they have it in stock. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and if you want to see more makeup artistry kit kind of videos, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to try and get them done. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you shortly.